there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the chords piano accompaniment to Mrs. Magic by Strawberry Guy. It's got some really lovely sort of jazz, interesting, colourful chords in here, but the chords are going to be extremely accurate. It's just the rhythm I'll be a little bit more general with. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of E flat major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E flat major. So these are some of the notes we're working with, plus others, with it being jazz. And this is middle C as a reference point. The left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange on the screen there. So we'll start with the intro, and then this makes up the verses as well. So as they're colourful chords, they'll have quite a lot of notes in them. So this first chord is A flat major 7 over B flat. So left hand we're going to have B flat and F. In the right hand we have A flat, C, E flat and G. And we're just going to play the chord on the beat. So you play the chord 8 times. So you could just play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the left hand is interjecting, if you like, between those chords every now and then. So this is a part I'm not going to be really specific with. So it alternates between sort of playing B flat and F. So something like. And you can play around with the left hand. And then the next chord is E flat major. So in the left hand, I'm playing E flat, B flat and E flat. In the right hand, we have G, B flat and D. So this is E flat major 7. So we play the chord once, and then we have this D singular note, so D, E flat, D, C, B flat, G. So and I'm repeating the E flat with my left hand thumb. So if I do that slowly, together, together, left, right, left, right. To exaggerate it there. And we do that twice. So if I go from the beginning, and you repeat that whole chord progression twice. So. You do that 2 more times for the verse as well, so exactly in the same way. Mrs. Magic to and fro. And then now we're into the chorus part. So the first chord we have for the chorus is A flat minor 9. So A flat's in the left hand. In the right hand, that would be B. Technically it would be called a C flat, an E flat, a G flat, and a B flat. So I played it 4 times. right hand stays the same, and the left hand comes to what would technically be called C flat major 7, but it's effectively B major 7, so B, G flat, B, E flat, G flat, A flat. So again, the right hand stays the same, the left hand just changes to C flat and G flat. 4 times. And then we have that first chord, the A flat major 7 over B flat again for 8 beats. Again, so then back to the A flat minor 9, and then we go back into this, so the E flat major 7, so the and then the second verse starts, and I'm just going to play the second verse exactly the same as the first verse. And then the chorus after that is the same as the chorus we've just played, except it just doesn't have the E flat major 7 part at the end. So it'll all be on the screen there. So I'll just play it through until we get to the bridge, and there'll be some new chords to look at. The bridge. So the following chords are all going to be played for 4 beats. So we have E major 7. So in the left hand, I'm going to play E, B, E. In the right hand, we have B, D sharp, and G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, just sort of occasionally playing the left hand notes in between the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have F sharp major. So F sharp in the left hand. In the right hand, that's second inversion, so that's C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, 4 beats. And then the left hand stays on F sharp because the next chord is F sharp minor 7. So the right hand we're going to play C sharp, E, F sharp, A, 4 beats. And then the fourth chord in this progression is B7, so B and F sharp in the left hand. In the right hand, that's B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. And we repeat that chord progression twice, so back to the E major, 7. And then there's a little bit at the end. So we play the E major 4 times, E major 7 4 times. And then we come to E flat 7, sus 4. So we're going to play the E flats in the left hand. In the right hand we have B flat, D flat, E flat, and A flat. And then we just turn the A flat into a G, which just gives us E flat 7. So we've got E flat 7 sus 4 twice, and then to E flat 7 twice. So that's the whole bridge part. So I'll just play through all this bridge now then. So then the outro, we have the very first chord, so A flat major 7 over B flat 4 times. And then we just change the G to an F, so we now have A flat 6 over B flat. Starts to get slower, 4 times. And then we just split the E flat major 7 chords, so E flat, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, D. So, and then we move that up the next octave, and then next octave again, so my highest note is out of shot. So like a little flourish at the end. And then even higher, if you have those higher keys. So just moving that shape up the octaves. So I'll just do the outro one more time. This is magic to and from. Just let me be myself. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.